Here's a step-by-step guide to buy Tide tokens using Zelle. First, open your browser and head to app.0xcoast.com. Then either sign in or create an account. Once you're logged in, make sure your wallet is connected. Find and click the Deposit and Withdraw tab on the left. In the Deposit section, click Zelle Pay, scan the QR code and fill out the required information. Do not forget to enter the code provided on the Coast website in the memo section. This part is absolutely required. Once all the transaction information has been entered, approve the transfer. After the transaction is completed through Zelle, you'll see your USD balance in your Coast dashboard. Now you can use your USD balance to purchase Tide. Go to the Buy and Sell tab on the left. For this example, we'll use $5 USD. Select the Tide token from the drop-down menu, then click Check Price. Once the price appears, click Buy. After that, you'll see a pop-up that says Buy Initiated. After a short processing period, your Tide will appear in your wallet. Find Tide and more PulseChain assets today at app.0xcoast.com.